In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com workspace and make sure you're in the right account and area where your boards are stored. A dashboard in Monday.com is a great way to bring important information together in one place. So instead of opening multiple boards and checking updates one by one, you can see your key data at a glance. This is especially useful for tracking progress, workload, timelines, and overall performance across your projects. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the New or Add option. This is where you can create new items in your workspace, including dashboards. Click that option, then choose Dashboard from the menu. As you do this, keep in mind that dashboards are meant to visualize information. So this is the step where you're creating the space that will eventually display your most important project insights. After selecting dashboard, choose the board data you want to show. This part is important because the dashboard only becomes useful when it's connected to the right source of information. Think carefully about which board or boards contain the data you want to monitor. For example, you may want to display task status, deadlines, team assignments, or project progress. Selecting the correct board data early helps make the rest of the setup much smoother. Next, add the widgets you need. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, and each one helps present your board data in a different way. Depending on what you want to track, you can use widgets to show charts, numbers, timelines, calendars, or workload views. The key here is to choose widgets that match the kind of information you need to review regularly. Try to focus on usefulness rather than adding too many visual elements at once, since a crowded dashboard can become harder to read. Once your widgets are in place, arrange them in a clean layout. This step makes a big difference in how easy the dashboard is to use. Place the most important widgets where they are easy to notice first, and group similar information together so the dashboard feels organized and intuitive. A clean layout helps you and your team understand the information quickly without having to search around the screen. Finally, save the dashboard and review the results. Take a moment to check that all the data is displaying correctly, that the layout feels clear, and that the widgets are giving you the insights you expected. If needed, you can always return and make small adjustments later. And that's how to create a dashboard in Monday.com.